Hello, and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would really appreciate it. I'm so excited today. I'm excited every day that I get to make a video because it is a privilege and honor to be able to grace the waves of the internet with my own brand of makeup, application and unboxings and things like that. It's great that you guys are here. I really appreciate you very much. Today I am going to be getting into a palette that is not a new palette, but it's new to me, and it finally was on sale at a price that was reasonable for me to purchase it, and the shipping cost more than the palette because it came from the UK, and it is the Made by Mitchell Feet on the Ground Pressed Pigment Palette. And let's take a peek-a-loo. I did not do armful of swatches this time because there's just simply so many, and I can't tell you how excited I am because my friends have been talking about this palette, especially my good friend James TBLMUA. He has been loving this palette for a long time. So has Joe, Just Joe, and I finally am joining the club. And it looks like I'm gonna do a look with this palette. And let's start by actually doing something instead of talking about it. Let's put my money where my mouth is. Ooh, I already did. I got this on a Boxing Day sale, and it was only 10 pounds, which is about $15. But the shipping was like 18 pounds. And it cost me about $38 to get it all together shipped and everything. Which is great because this was not an inexpensive palette. I just caught a good sale, and it's beautiful. And I'm just trying to figure out where I want to start. I'm going to start with this color right here. I'm going to put it in the crease, and it's just a beautiful taupe color, very neutral. Ruby's just going to walk around and make cute little noises. It's a very mushroomy color. As if I was a mushroom. What kind of mushroom would you be if you could be any mushroom? I think I would just be a classic button mushroom. You know, friendly to everybody, not too intimidating. It's like some of those mushrooms are kind of crazy looking. You know, I would want to be an edible mushroom. Maybe a psychedelic mushroom. That's another kind of mushroom. Back in the day, I could tell you more about that. But these days, I'm a clean teen, and I do not trip the light fantastic. But mushrooms, yeah. This color is like mushroom. Anyway. Rambling Rose. She's a rambling gal. Rambling Rose. What should I go into? I'm thinking I'm going to go into greens because there's so many good greens. I'm going to go into Fool's Gold. That mushroom color was called Breaking. So I'm going to go into Fool's Gold. That's a very, very light, pale green. Maybe I should save that. I'm going to put a little bit over here just because I like to balance things out. I think I'm going to save that for like a lid color. So I'll go into this matte Chameleon. So we're working with a couple of mattes here. And with the mushroom, it's looking kind of grungy. And this is a very grungy palette. It's very pretty. But I was really into grunge. Grunge was especially popular in my 20s, my very early 20s. And that is looking really pretty. Ooh, such good pigment. The pigment is here for sure. And I am going to take my finger and go into Fool's Gold. I'm going to sweep this on the lid. And that is very pretty. I'll do the same over here. But it's not as bright as I would like it to be. I'm probably going to go in with a highlighter or glitter. That's very monochromatic. And if you don't know what that means, it means all same color story. Monochromatic. Let's see. I need to punch it up a little. Punch it up. Maybe I'll go into this orange. Yeah, let's try this orange, which is called Tiger Lily. Oh, yeah, that's cool. I'm loving the orange. It looks great with the green. And it's really bringing it to life. Expand upon this Tiger Lily. It's almost a fluorescent orange, but not so neon that you can't work with it. And this is making my eyes look crazy green. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's super nice. Ooh, I'm loving that. So that's cool. I really need like a white, shiny kind of highlighter there. I'm going to go into a darker color for the outside corner of my eye. Trying to find a brush that I want to use. A nice Sonia G brush. So I'm going to go into, so hard to read this, Buried Board in the House. It's like kind of a dark brown. It is a dark brown. I'm just blending that out. I'm just going in real soft with it because it's so dark. Oh, it's looking cool though. It looks cool. Super cool. You know, there's a real bright, shiny kind of, let's see. That's a little brighter, but not quite as what I want. And that is called Bless You. Still not quite the brightness that I want. I'm going to have to really go into a highlighter for sure. What highlighter shall I choose? It is just for me to choose which highlighter. I'm going to go into Danessa Myricks. I'm knocking over a bunch of the stuff. And this is the Lightwork palette. And it is glorious. And I'm going to go into like Duh. That's brightening it up. I don't know what that noise was. That's much better. Now I'm going to blend it out with a blending brush, with a nice fluffer brush. And then we're going to do liner and mascara. Liner and mascara, and I'll be right back. And voila, we have liner and mascara, and that is looking really pretty. And I feel like I need to have some kind of brighter lip. I feel like, what should I do for my lip? That's the crazy hard part. Or nude. I could just go nude. It's so hard to decide. I'll go nude with number 85 Seductress. Well, that is just a really pretty look. I'm very excited about it. I hope that you've had fun watching me put this makeup on and make a really, and look how smooth that eyeshadow is. It's so good. And that was from the Feet on the Ground palette from Mitchell. And I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.